Hi beautiful people, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this in less than 30 minutes. So if that sounds like something you want to see, then keep on watching. This wig is a glueless 5x5 HD lace wig from Varia Hair. It came with a thank you card and instructions on how to install the hair. Because I wanted the wig to look really flat, I had to cornrow my hair first, and I did a total of 8 to 10 cornrows just so that when I install the wig, there is no swelling of any kind. After the cornrows, I went in with some oil to moisturize my scalp. Now, this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It comes with 2 straps for extra security, especially because it's a glueless wig, so that the wig stays fully secured around the perimeter of your head. It also has 4 pins, 1 at the back, 2 by the side, and 1 below the lace. To install the wig, I placed it on my head, obviously, and then I used a wax stick to pull all the hair to the back so that I'm able to see exactly what I want to cut. To cut the lace, I went in with a zigzag scissors so that it gives the lace a zigzag pattern and not a straight cut, so it looks natural. After that, I went in with a smaller scissors to cut off any lace that I must have missed. Now, this is what the wig is looking like after cutting off the lace. You can see it's swollen, but we're going to do some magic to it. Now, the magic is to straighten it, and I'm going to show you every single thing that I used. First off was a foundation and a foundation brush. I used that to darken the lace first. There is no need to waste your whole foundation on this. Just a little goes a long way and you're good to go. Next is heat protectant. Now this is necessary because you're going to be putting heat on this hair, so you need heat protectant to protect the strands of your hair so they don't get damaged. Next step is serum. So you need this, but please go in light-handed because you don't want your hair to be gummy. So I put a little bit of this, just 1 pump around the hair to just give it that shine. Next thing I did was to blow dry the hair before going in with straightening. To make sure that the wig does not move on the mannequin head, I pinned it down with these pins just so that it's secured to the head as I straighten. Now, while straightening, you want to make sure that you have a tail comb that combs the hair as you straighten, just so that you have that sleek look. When I got to the top, I went in with this wax stick to lay down the flyaways at the top of the hair, and then I repeated the straightening method, which is straightener and comb as you go. Now let's talk installing. So I went in with my edge control to make sure that my edges were slicked back. Then I put on this wig cap because you know that's the necessary step to take, only for me to see this demarcation, and I was not just understanding. So I had to darken it with foundation and tried the wig on again, but it wasn't giving. So I took it off and put my wig on my head like that, and I preferred it way more to when I had the wig cap on. This is what the hair looks like without makeup. This is the length of the hair on my bust, and this is the length of the hair at the back, and this is what the hair looks with makeup on. I had to put a little bit of effort in my makeup because I was really feeling the hair. Love the lushness, and it was very easy to comb as well. If you guys want to shop this hair, the link will be in my description. You can go check out the hair on their website, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye guys.